Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Revoke.cash to remove dangerous token approvals, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the Revoke.cash website using your preferred web browser. Once the website loads, you will see an interface that prompts you to connect your wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the wallet you are using from the available options, such as MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or others. After connecting your wallet, you will be prompted to give permission to Revoke.cash to access your wallet information. Confirm this permission through your wallet interface. Once connected, Revoke.cash will display a list of all your token approvals. Take a moment to review the list carefully. Look for any token approvals that you deem unnecessary or potentially risky. If you identify a token approval that you wish to revoke, click on the Revoke button next to that token. A confirmation pop-up will appear, outlining the details of the revocation action. Review these details to ensure you are revoking the correct token approval. If everything looks good, confirm the action in your wallet. After the transaction is confirmed, the token approval will be removed from your wallet. Repeat the process for any additional token approvals you want to revoke. For added security, consider periodically revisiting Revoke.cash to review your token approvals. This will help ensure your wallet remains secure and free from unwanted token permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.